Good day, dear students. How are you? I am fine. And you? I am glad to be with you at our unusual lesson. The theme of our lesson is Nature's the best. The aim of the lesson is to study participle clauses, learn vocabulary, the theme geographical features, and practice using them in speech. Now let's take grammar section. Participle clauses. Look at these sentences, please. The first one. While I was sitting on my bed, I called Lisa. The second. When I had called her, I went downstairs. Now answer my questions, please. The first. How many actions are there in each sentences? How many actions are there in each sentences? Yes, that's right, too. The second, if they happened at the same time or one after the other. If they happened at the same time or one after the other. The first at the same time and the second one after the other. Yes, that's right. Now let's compare these two sentences. The same sentences we see with participle clauses. The first one, sitting on my bed, I called Lisa. The second one, having called her, I went downstairs. Now look at this table, please. Participle, we have got present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. Present participle, how do we form? Verb plus ing. For example, walking, dancing. Past participle, we use the third form of the verb. For example, walked, danced. And perfect participle, having plus the third form of the verb. Having walked. Let's do some exercises from our book. Open your books, please. Page 89, exercise 2B. Open, please. Now let's do some tasks. Match sentences 1 and 2 with the meanings A and B. Then complete the rule, present or past. Write in the rule. The first sentence is, reading the letter, I was very nervous. Match with A or B. The second one, having read the letter, I was very nervous. Now, let's check. The first is B, the second is A. Now, let's take the rule, please. We use what? Participle, the ing form of the verb. When the action happens or happens at the same time as the main action, put down present or past. Think a bit. Yes, that's right, we use a present. We use the present participle of have plus what? What participle, present or past? When the action happened before the main action. Yes, we use past participle. Good. Now let's practice doing exercise C. The task is, join the two sentences to make one. Use participle clauses. The first sentence, I was swimming past a rock. I saw a shark in the distance. We change using participle clauses. Swimming past a rock, I saw a shark in the distance. It is as an example. The second sentence, she waved her hands. She tried to keep the flies away from her face. Use participle clauses. She waved her hands. She tried to keep the flies away from her face. Waving her hands, she tried to keep the flies from her face. Yes, that's right. The third one. You walk between the trees. You can see the sun coming through the branches. Think a bit and change. And check. walking between the trees, you can see the sun coming from the branches. That's right. The fourth one. The visitors watched the sunset on the rock. Then they walked back to their hotel. The visitors watched the sunset on the rock. Then they walked back to their hotel. Having watched the sunset on the rock, the visitors walked back to their hotel. The fifth one. The Amazon River travels 1,000 kilometers. Then it meets the Rio Negro. Think a bit. Join the sentences to make one using participle clause. The correct one is, having traveled 1,000 kilometers, the Amazon River meets the Rio Negro. The sixth one. The trees stand in the forest. They seem to be indestructible. Have you finished? Now let's check. Standing in the forest, the trees seem to be indestructible. And the last one. The man listened to the sounds of the nature. He felt very alone. The man listened to the sounds of nature. He felt very alone. Listening to the sounds of nature, the man felt very alone. Now, well done. Good. Next task is, today we'll study vocabulary. The theme is geographical features. I hope you know these words. Match them with the pictures. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You may write 110 in the boxes. The first picture is under 2. It's a bay. And finish, be quick. Have you finished? I think you have done. Now let's check. Check your answers. Listen and repeat.
Unit 12, Exercise 3B. Listen and check. 1.
C. A coral reef.
Unit 12, Exercise 3B. Listen and check. 1.
C. A coral reef.
2. A bay.
3.
A bay.
J. A lake.
3.
J.
4.
A lake.
F. A canyon.
4. F. A
5.
canyon.
G. A waterfall.
5.
G. To fall.
6. B.
6.
A mountain range.
B. A mountain range.
7.
E.
7.
Cliff. E. A cliff.
8. D. A plane.
8. D. Plane.
9.
H.
9.
H. Glacier. A glacier.
10. I.
10.
A desert.
I. A desert.
I think you finished. Thank you. Now write down your homework for the next lesson, please. Your home task will be: open your workbook on page 72 and prepare exercise 1. on participle clause. I think it will be clear for you. Now, students, give me your feedback, please. Do you like our lesson? Was it interesting or not? What have you learned? Thank you for the lesson. Be healthy. Goodbye. See you soon.